Hey, I'm here to talk to you about switching from one torsion spring to two torsion springs. Now let me tell you why. If you've got anything more than a 10 feet wide, you want two springs. Now here's what the builder does. The builder actually puts on a single commercial grade spring because he wants to save a little bit of money. Now here's the problem. Everything's reliant on that one spring working correctly. When you get to over 10 feet, you want to take the measurement and the IPPT of that single spring and cut it by 2. And you want 2 springs to cover that total amount of the inch-pound per turn for that door. So you're simply going to go through our wizard and you're going to change it to 2 springs if it's over 10 foot wide. Now what happens is if one spring breaks, the other one's not going to break at the exact same moment, so the door's not going to come crashing down and God forbid hurt somebody. You want to use 2 springs because when you have one spring, you'll notice that that torsion tube's moving back and forth on a wide door, and you're ruining your bearing plates, you're ruining your drums, and you're shortening the cycle life of everything, and catastrophic things happen when it breaks. So anything over 10 feet, you want to switch to a double spring torsion system. Thanks.